how to get more views on your videos. That is what we're going to talk about today. This video is for those of you who are visual learners. I'm going to try to go in the back end of my laptop, of my analytics, so I can show you the results that I have seen and while I explain to you, okay? But for those of you on right now, again, I just want to thank you all. Switches back. I just want to thank all of you for being here. And if you have any question, remember to comment it down below. I'm here to continue to build my community. I'm here to support you as well as a creator, as a growing YouTuber. Okay, so we got this. The year 2025 is our year. It is my year and it is your year. And the only person stopping us from receiving it is ourselves. Okay, I need you to put in the work and I need to get started today. Yes, you may not be motivated to do it, but you need to. It's like, I don't have a choice. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so for those of you on right now, you're probably wondering, what can I do to get more views? All right. So the first thing I want to do to build more views, I just want to say, guys, you need to build a community. I cannot stress this enough. You need to build a community of like-minded people. People, when they see a video, they're going to click on it. As soon as it pop up, they're going to click on it so that because they want to support you. They love what you bring to them. They love the information you give off. They probably just love how you look. They probably love your accent, because I have people who say, oh my goodness, I subscribe to you because I love your accent. I'm like, thank you. Like, so the things that you're not proud of or you think is weird, display it, because you're gonna find people who is attracted to that. That's one thing I have to say, okay? Okay, so I'm literally trying to figure out how to screen record, because I delete the app that I was using to screen record because I needed space and I don't want to download it back. So guess what? I am actually going on YouTube to research how to do this. Guys, you need to put in the work. You need to put in some effort. First thing we want to look at is, let's go here. So you're going to be seeing, I went and I did a little bit of research, right? But reality is these things really does work, and I've seen it within my content. So how to increase views on YouTube. Now we have 15 more. So we're going to just be doing these and I'm going to be explaining it here. Let's just go down and check what everyone have to say, okay? And I went and do a couple of research. Now the first thing, like I said, you want to be able to engage with your audience. That means you need to build a community, guys. And as you continue to build a community, as you show up for your community is going to show up for you. I promise you, I've seen it with my content, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is make sure and create some compelling thumbnails. You don't need anything fancy. Just make sure you have a decent picture of yourself, and maybe if you need one or two texts on the screen, go ahead and write it. But something really simple. I just really love simple these days. You want to optimize your video title. And when I talk about optimizing your video title, I mean, I need you to pay attention to what people are searching for. Pay attention to your niche. Pay attention to, let's go and type in incognito. Let me get incognito window. And let's just type in YouTube, right? So I'm going to type in YouTube, and then I'm going to type in, let's say your niche is how to grow on YouTube, because why not? Try searching to get something. Okay, how to grow on YouTube. How to get more views on YouTube. Let's do this. Get more views on YouTube. Okay, let's see what pop up. All right, so now you're in incognito, so this can be whatever your niches. You can type in this and see what comes up. Okay, this is how you're going to get more views. Let's see what people, this is a very simple thumbnail. Actually, I saw this person a couple of times. This is also sponsored, but this is a very simple thumbnail. You see, he have a picture of him below it in the background just a little bit, and you have, obviously, I don't know what he explaining in this video, but I love simple videos, so this upload the right way. Okay, this was 4 months ago. This person was teaching you to upload it right away. You see her thumbnail? Very, very simple and different. Now, this is just the big gurus that I can tell you, but I always try to look for smaller YouTubers to see if there's any small YouTubers fitting into my niche, and how they're doing with the videos, if they do create videos like this. So this person, one day ago, let's check out this person. This person is on the page, okay? Look at right here. Oh, Annie. Hi, Annie. Okay, I don't know about you, but I have been following Annie for like when I started my YouTube journey when she was literally under 10,000 followers. Anyway, she's an amazing person. Love her. Um, Look at this viewer here. Where's her? Amanda. Let's click on Amanda. Let's check out Amanda. The fact that her video pop up on the thumbnails for YouTube videos that really grab attention. All right, cool. She was talking about thumbnails, but like I said, you need compelling thumbnails, right? But in her title, listen this. Look at this. You see how to write better YouTube's SEO title to get more views. Remember, I told you we type in how to get more views on YouTube. She's talking about thumbnail. She's talking about writing. So because her title have those keywords in it, it popped up. All right, so let's see how much followers she have. Okay, well, she have a lot of followers actually. Okay. All right, she have a lot of followers. She's not like a small YouTuber, but let's check out her page just to see what's going on with her and how much views she tend to normally get. I don't know, videos. So she didn't tend to get plenty views, but the fact that her video pop up, that's a good thing. All right. So this is just what you can do when you're researching. I need you to put a little bit in it, and I need you to actually do the research. Go into incognito and type in your niche, whatever you're searching for, and get inspiration from your timeline. Okay. Annie is like 3 years ago. Okay, whatever. That was since 3 years ago. But this is what I normally do. Oh, I know her. I've seen her videos already. The #1 upload technique to get 10x plus views. This was 2 months ago. Very simple. Very simple. She have not a huge creator. Look at right here. Perfect example. All right, let's go. Love her setup. Look at this. Very simple. I know her. I've seen her on my timeline multiple times. So that's why I click on her right now. And that's one of the reasons I've seen her multiple times. So it's easy for me to click on her, you see? And look at her setup. Very simple. Nothing too crazy. You can do this, guys. And she don't have like a huge following, but look at how much views her video get. Over 164,000. Okay. The #1 upload technique to get 10K more views in 2025 revealed. Guess who gonna steal that title? Guess who gonna steal this title? No, I know. I am in the same niche. Can I, when I say steal the title, you know what I mean? I don't need to reinvent because this title has been proven to work. Her thumbnail and her information in it. So I'm gonna watch this video, take a couple pointers, and I'm gonna make a video similar to this in the hopes that it pop up because people are actually liking this type of video. So you get a gif of how you're going to search to find what kind of content to create in your niche and how to get more views. Okay, I know this might be a little longer video, but I just wanted to show you the back end of it. And my baby just wake, guys, so let's do this. Let me just like her video, and then I also gonna save her video just because why? Oh, I need to sign in. James. Okay. When I'm watching back this video, I would know I would see everything. Okay, so let's go back out now. All right, let's go back out, and I need to sign in to, all right, cool. Let's click this one to come down, and let's go back into my analytics. All right, and the reason why I say this, guys, you're gonna see the back end of my analytics. We already went through all the different things to do to make sure you have enough views. I just want you to optimize the video, make sure you're doing the right searches, creating the right titles, and also having a compelling thumbnail that will help you to get more views. All right. The next thing I want to do is make sure and create a playlist, guys. Make sure and create a playlist and direct people to your playlist because that is how you're going to gain more views as well. So yes, the next thing I want to do and how I know this is let's go and check my back end. You're just going to see the back end. Let's go to YouTube Studio. You're going to see the back end of my studio. Let me hurry up and do this video because baby boy. All right, cool. And not all your videos will pop up, guys. So this is the back end of my own content. Let's go to content. So my content, I have one video that's doing really well right now. It have like 18,000 views, which is insane. And I have responded to every comment on that video. As you can see right here, I try my best to optimize my thumbnail, my title, that is and optimize my thumbnail. That will kind of bring the viewers in a little bit, as you can see with my facial expression and stuff like that. I try my best to optimize my video best way possible with adding my description. I love adding a description, and I also add some tags underneath here as well, as you can see. And I also, this is why you're going to do this on your laptop and not your phone, because you can add an end screen right here, and then you can add cards. That is also optimizing your videos, right? And then of course you want to make sure you add some tags. Look, my tags here, I want to add relevant tags pertaining to my video, okay? And that's about it. But really building community. So really and truly, how are you going to get more views on your video is making sure you have a compelling thumbnail, making sure the first thing first is building community. I don't care what nobody say. I highly recommend building a community. As you continue to build your community, I need you to get some compelling thumbnails. I need you to make sure your title is searchable. So just like how I show you, go ahead and search your niche and see where video pop up, and try to look for smaller creators to see how much views you're getting on that videos, because that will kind of average you as to you do have a chance. Because as I said smaller creator, sorry guys, growing creator, you have to correct myself, right? Growing creator. And that way you know, okay, if this growing creator was able to get X amount of views, there's a possibility for you to squeeze in and get the same amount of views. So there is no magic pill, guys. It's just you putting in some research, putting in a little effort here and there so that you can see results. One, you might do it for one video, it may not pop off, but I want you to continue doing it. Just a little research. I just went through really quick. Why? Because baby boy just wake, and I'm gonna end this video because I had to tend to him today. All right, guys, I had to tend to him. But to recap, make sure you build your audience, make sure you create playlists, and then in your video, make sure tell people, hey guys, go and check out my, if you want to learn more tips and tricks, I'm telling you as well, if you want to learn more tips as to grow and monetize on YouTube, I link a playlist right there. You can go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for joining. Really appreciate it. Okay. Now you guys can go and check it out. But all right, the next thing you want to do, what I was saying, grow your audience, create compelling thumbnail. Make sure you're doing proper research. I don't care what nobody say. Make sure you're doing some research, okay? And you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just look at what already working, and you can tweak it to suit you. All right. The next thing you want to do is make sure your title, make sure your video is optimized, and just make sure you're interacting with your community. Now, with that being said, go ahead and check out the rest of videos that I have here that will help you to gain more views and monetize on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.